Okay, this Duke and I and Ken, here we are, sister, out in the Hawaiis that we love so much. I don't know where I'm going. We started at Graveyard Point and...
that's the rock I took a picture of my phone.
Right.
There's a plane up there.
Yeah, I see that plane up there.
Now you'll see...
Bush plane.
You'll see stuff in those goggles that the goggles are so wide angle that you won't be able to see it in the
Okay.
video.
I'm getting Duke a lot.
Put mine on.
Here. Does that have a video on it too?
Yep. I had to adjust them because I wear it with my helmet.
Okay, sister, I don't know where I'm going, but as long as we're with Ken and Duke, we're okay.
Duke.
Yeah. Duke and I are videoing here.
Yeah. Gotta have my hat.
Yeah, you gotta have your hat on. The temperature's just right for riding. It's not too hot and not too cold.
I've ridden out here when there was ice in these creek beds.
Oh, man, that's cold. I don't think I'd want to bring the Jeep down here.
No, there was a gal in a big four-wheel drive pickup.
Oh my gosh.
And she was out here rock hunting with another lady or two.
Oh.
It was a new rig.
Uh-huh.
And she was headed down here, and I said, you can't go down there.
Oh, it's a good thing you told her. She
would get somewhere where you can't go through, and then you won't be able to back out.
Yep. Hang on, Duke.
And the best one. There's often water in this.
Oh, I bet. I bet that's wild in the spring, huh?
Never too much. Easy enough to kill it. I've seen snake with suckerfish so full I couldn't cross it.
Oh, it's still pretty full, huh?
Now, right here, you see that rock up there?
Yeah.
My buddy Roger, he thought he had to hit it with speed.
No, you don't do that.
He was on a four-wheel
You don't do that.
ATV.
That?
And he flipped
No.
it and rolled it down into this gully.
Oh, Ken, that's terrible.
We got it right side up. Terry Simon pulled it out, but once he got over the crest, it ran away and ran down, turned Terry's four-wheeler sideways and rolled in.
Your kid.
It chased Terry down the hill. It was a hell of a...
Well, he's the wonder he didn't break his neck.
He broke his ankle. He walked on it after that, but he ended up with a plate in it.
Wow.
Four-wheel drive grind.
Here we go.
I went over this one yesterday. I did a gap on the side.
Hang on, Duke. Hang on, Duke. Wow.
And I got out of the stage and just up out there.
Yeah. Hang on, Duke.
That's where I followed, looking for my steps at.
Yeah. Boy, this thing does do good.
that?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's nice.
So that's Strobe Basin. The west end of it. The east end of it.
That soda fire burned a lot of the sagebrush, huh?
It's all gone.
Yeah.
Well, there's a spot over there when there was a spring and the sagebrush didn't burn.
Yes.
And we had such a wet winter that there's sagebrush where there never was before.
Uh-huh.
Now this is Sage Creek Crossing.
Okay.
Down in that hole.
Wow.
My brother and Mike Stimmel broke this trail.
Wow.
It was just a single track.
Uh-huh.
And then the ATVs found it. Then the four-wheel drives found it.
And that's why it looks like this.
There was a three-wheeler went off right there.
Sure did. Those are kind of dangerous on a road like this, or a trail. Tipping over.
I've seen one come through here before. From a distance. Okay, you think we can get through there?
No.
Huh?
No.
I think we can.
Oh my heavens. Duke says, oh my gosh.
We can get through there.
Oh, for heaven's sakes.
Easy.
Oh my heavens.
Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Uh-huh, easy peasy. Oh my gosh.
I've been upside down right here when there was water in it.
Oh.
And there's water in it now, but it's underneath the rock.
Uh-huh.
I told you we could get through it.
You were right. He gets excited. A lot of rock out here.
A lot of rock. Those big rocks will turn your front wheel into a pretzel.
Boy, sometimes that gets a lot of water in it, you can tell.
Duke likes to play in there when it's full of water.
Uh-huh.
See that rock right there?
Uh-huh.
Grass grows up around it so you can't see it.
Oh.